Hello and welcome everyone. You are watching BSL Academy. As we have discussed chapter communication system in the previous video, so today we have come with another chapter which is electric potential and capacitance. So let's start with this chapter. Here you can see all the questions of your Jackboard are given which was previously asked. So the first question is in front of you. Derive an expression for the capacitance of a parallel plate capacitors. So here you have to derive expression of capacitance for the parallel plate capacitors which was asked in 2019. Next one is three capacitors each of capacitance C are connected in series. Their equivalent capacitance will be option A C by 3, option B 3C, option C 3 by C, and option D 1 by 3C, which was asked in 2017. So let's move on the next question. Derive an expression for the energy stored in a charged capacitor. So this one is most important question, and here you can see this question is asked in 2017, 13 as well as 10. So this is most important question, and the next one is derive electric potential. Derive an expression for electric potential at any point due to an electric dipole, which was asked in 2016 and 2009. So this one is also most important question. Question number 5th. Electric field E and electric potential V are related as, means you have to find the relation between electric field and electric potential, which is asked in 2015 in the objective questions. So here your options. Option A is E equals to minus dr by dv, B is E equals to minus dv by dr, or C में E equals to dv by dr, and the last one is D, which is E equals to dr by dv. So answer it. And the next question is, if the distance between two plates of a parallel plate capacitor is doubled, then its capacity, which is asked in 2015. Option A increase 2 times, option B decrease 2 times, option C increase 4 times, and option D decrease 4 times. Next question. If the air between two plates of a parallel plate condenser is displaced by a medium of relative permittivity K, then its capacity, option A increase K times, option B decrease K times, option C remains constant, or option D none of these. This is asked in 2014. Question number 8. Find the energy stored in a capacitor. Using it, find the energy density of a parallel plate capacitor, which was asked in 2013, 10 and 17. So this one is also VVI question. Now question number 9 is, what is dielectric? Give two examples of dielectrics. So you have to tell about dielectric, which is asked in 2011. Dielectric is a conducting material which conduct electricity without passing through it. And the last one is, on what factors does capacitance of a capacitor depend? So you have to tell the factors on which capacitance of a capacitor depend, which is asked in 2009. So these are the questions of this chapter, and the weightage of this chapter is not so more. So you have to practice this chapter more and more times so that you will perform very good in your JAC board examination. So if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe this, so that we always come with this great joy to help you in cracking your JAC board examination. And so download its PDF, because the link of this PDF is given in the description box. So bye bye, take care and happy learning.